In a quaint little village lived a man named Vikram, known far and wide for his sharp mind. People called him wise, and he certainly enjoyed giving advice to anyone who would listen. He was convinced that his knowledge and smart decisions set him apart, making him better than everyone else. One sunny afternoon, a young boy approached Vikram with a problem. "Sir," he said, "I want to help my neighbor with his farm, but I'm terrified I might fail. What should I do?" Vikram, wrapped in his usual confidence, barely hesitated. "Don't waste your time helping others," he declared. "Focus on yourself. You might fail, and failure is a shameful thing." The boy walked away, his shoulders slumped with disappointment. But the story didn't end there. The boy decided to secretly help his neighbor anyway. And to everyone's amazement, he succeeded. The neighbor's farm flourished like never before. The whole village celebrated their joint success, but Vikram felt a sharp, bitter sting of envy. He started to wonder if being wise always meant making the right choice. Not long after, a terrible flood swept through the village. Houses were damaged, crops were ruined, and people were in grave danger. Relying on his own cleverness, Vikram focused only on protecting his own home, ignoring the desperate calls for help all around him. Meanwhile, the other villagers, including the very boy he had advised against helping others, were working together. They were a whirlwind of activity, saving lives, pulling people from the water, and starting to rebuild. Vikram watched from his isolated safe home, completely stunned. He saw a community not just surviving, but thriving through their cooperation. Even though he, the wise one, had acted so differently, it was a humbling moment. Slowly, a profound truth began to dawn on him. Knowledge and intelligence, on their own, don't guarantee the right decisions. Things like compassion, taking action, and simply understanding others are just as vital, if not more so. As he reflected, Vikram pinpointed 5 key lessons from his experience. First, wisdom without action is incomplete. You can think all you want, but thinking alone doesn't create results. You have to actually do something. Second, being right isn't always what matters most. He realized that moral and compassionate choices often carry more weight than purely clever ones. It's not just about winning an argument, it's about doing good. Third, helping others strengthens you. He saw that true personal growth doesn't come from selfish pursuits, but from empathy and serving a greater good. Fourth, experience teaches far more than theory. You can read every book in the world, but real, deep understanding only comes from living, from trying and sometimes failing. And fifth, humility opens your eyes. He understood that a wise mind without a humble heart can blind you to the things that truly matter in life. Determined to change, Vikram didn't make a grand announcement. He started small. He began offering help to his neighbors, even when it pushed him out of his comfort zone. He started listening more than he spoke, soaking up knowledge from people of all ages, realizing everyone had something to teach. And instead of trying to prove his superiority, he began to genuinely celebrate the successes of others. Over time, something remarkable happened. The villagers began to respect Vikram again, but this time, it wasn't just for his intelligence, it was for his newfound wisdom, his empathy, and his humility. He finally understood that true knowledge is a powerful blend of intelligence with kindness, action, and a deep understanding of others. From that day forward, Vikram's life was transformed. He learned that being wise doesn't always mean being right. It means being willing to learn, to adapt, and most importantly, to care for the people around you. Vikram's journey teaches us a timeless lesson. Wisdom is so much more than just knowledge. True insight comes from action, compassion, and humility. Being clever is a great skill to have, but doing the right thing, the kind thing, is what truly matters in the end. If Vikram's story inspired you, please like this video. Share your own thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more eye-opening stories. Thanks for watching.